Challenges faced by youth in 21st century. This is the topic that we are discussing now. Be good and do good. If you are being good, we can do all the things with our goodness. Our attitude decides whatever we achieve in our life. If our attitude is being good, everything is being good which is being done by us. What about 21st century? What about youth? Youth is facing so many challenges regarding 21st centuries. Challenges which are being faced by youth regarding 21st century. In 21st century, which type of challenges are being faced by the present youth? Regarding the present youth, if you take, there are so many youngsters who are being habituated, such as we are being addicted negatively. Some people are being alcoholic. Some people are being disobedient because of their surroundings. Some people are getting disappointment for every this and that by taking the addiction, of different bad habits. These habits always avoid the youth in order to achieve their goals. They are unable to set their goal setting. They are unable to take any decision. They are not able to become like decision makers only because of their attitude towards the society. When their parenting is perfect since their childhood, everything will be perfect. Lack of parenting is not being perfect since the childhood of children. If the parenting is good, everything will be good. After finishing school education, youth will go to college. There also they will have to face the problem of violence. Not all the people, because of some youth, the rest of the youth is being spoiled. So all these things are to be considered. We should delete all the waste things from our mind in order to get bright future. If you delete wasteful things from our mind, we can maintain peace of mind. Peace of mind will make us think peacefully in order to do things that are being faced by us effectively. So there are so many challenges regarding youth. Youth are facing the problem because of some parents. They are not being guided by parents in their childhood itself. Moreover, teachers support should be there. Teachers should guide students in proper way. Not all the teachers, some of the teachers may be there without dealing the students in proper way. When those people are dealt by the teachers and the parents effectively, they won't take any direction which is being led by them in order to get negative results. So in order to avoid all these negative thoughts, being alcoholic is a bad habit. And if you try to encourage violence, then it will be a bad habit. All these negative attributes are to be faced by those should be taken like challenge. These are the challenges which are being faced. Moreover, so many people are being addicted regarding drugs. They are being faced by drug addiction such as drug abuse. So all these challenges should be faced. If you can avoid all these problems by facing the challenge, definitely we can build a strong nation in 21st century. We should have the confidence that I can avoid, I can face the challenges which are being negative in order to get success. So I hope you follow and I hope you face the challenges which are related to negativity regarding youth. All the present youth can achieve anything because they have the capability of doing anything by the support of the people such as role models and parents, including teachers. This is the thing that we have to fulfill. Challenges are to be faced if they are being negative in order to come up with flying colors to build a strong nation in 21st century by facing all the challenges. Thank you very much.